British Prime Minister and Labour Party leader Keir Starmer announced his resignation on June 22nd and said he would remain as caretaker Prime Minister until a successor is chosen in the coming weeks. The 63-year-old leader said he had informed King Charles III of his decision and would ask Labour's National Executive Committee to begin the leadership election process. Nominations will open on July 9th and a new leader is expected to begin in place before Parliament returns in September. In an emotional statement outside 10th Downing Street, Starmer said the key question facing the Labour Party was whether he remained the best person to lead it into the next general election. He said he had heard the answer from his parliamentary party and accepted it with good grace. His resignation comes after months of mounting pressure due to declining approval ratings for both himself and the Labour Party. His position weakened further following controversy over the appointment of Peter Mandelson as ambassador to the United States despite his links to convicted child sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. The issue resurfaced after documents released by the US Department of Justice brought renewed scrutiny to the matter. Political setbacks also added to the pressure on his leadership. A damaging by-election defeat in February after Starmer blocked Greater Manchester Mayor Andy Burnham from contesting was followed by poor performances in local and national elections. Several senior ministers, including Health Secretary Wes Streeting and a number of junior ministers, resigned in recent months, while defending Secretary John Healey stepped down earlier this month amid disagreements over defence spending. Former Greater Manchester Mayor Andy Burnham, who returned to the House of Commons after winning a by-election last week, is considered to replace Starmer and has confirmed he will contest the Labour leadership. Wes Streeting is also expected to enter the race. Starmer, who led Labour to a landslide victory in the 2024 front-runner general election, defended his record in office, citing economic growth, rising wages and infrastructure investment holding back tears. He said he looked forward to spending more time with his wife and their children. His resignation means Britain will begin the process of selecting its 7th Prime Minister in a decade. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.